The calculus teacher got arrested for drinking and driving. Yeah, okay. All right, so anyway, if you have a problem like this, the concentrate up which you will. So this actually, I guess, tells you what your blood alcohol level percent is that what it is? Concentration is. And can be used to estimate the risk of having an accident. And K is a constant. And R is the risk, okay? So risk is 10. So it says suppose the concentrated alcohol of 0.04 results in 10% risk. So the 0.04 is X. So the way you set this up is you go 10 equals 6 e to the k times 0.04. So a lot of these problems you're asked to first find the constant. And so they give you an initial condition, kind of like what we did on those direct variation problems. And then, so the way you solve this, the first thing that you do is you separate this away from there by dividing away that 6. And so you get 10 divided by 6, which is 5/3, we'll just call it 5/3, we'll leave it exact, equals e to the point, I'm going to put the 0.04 in front of the k. Now what? Anyone have a guess?
Natural.
Yes. So this means the same, and we'll talk, you can kind of think of it as taking the natural log of both sides, but natural log of e of 5/3, right? Natural log of e to the 5/3 equals 0.04k. So I rewrote this in logarithmic form. I'm just putting the e there because it helps me think about it, but now I'm going to erase it. So if I take the natural log of 5/3 and divide by 0.04, I'll get k. Okay? So you could do that on your calculator and make sure you're doing it in the right order. So I'm going to go natural log of 5/3, natural log of 5/3, go away. ln of, in parentheses, 5 divided by 3, close that parentheses, close that parentheses. I don't know if you need 2 parentheses. You don't. Divided by 0.04. And then I get my k. So k in this case is 12, where did it go? 12.77, right? 12.77. And then I could use that to figure out what is the risk if the concentration is 0.1, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, so now I know that y equals 6. I'm going to rewrite my equation with my constant in there, 12.77x, okay? And x is the concentration, right? So I'm going to plug in when the concentration is 0.1. And if you plug in 0.1 in there, everyone's with me here? Okay? I get, what? Oh, that's 0.17. I thought that was a nice. Okay. And so I'm going to do, you could just put your equation into your calculator, or you can, so you can put your equation into your calculator, y equals 6, go away. You got it, right? You just plug that in. Y equals 6 e, ready? E to the, and then in parentheses, you want to put your 12.77x close parentheses. And then I could just go look at my table. You can go second table, and if I plug in what they want me, 0.17, I get out that your risk is going to be 52.59. That's pretty bad. So don't make your alcohol be 0.1, whatever, 0.1 something. And then the next question just asks you, what's the next question? At what concentration be arrested? The law states that driving percentage is 20% or more. So what you want to do with that probably is you want to set this at 20, right? 0.20. Put 6 over there. E to the 12.77x, and solve for x in this case. First by dividing by 6, and then taking the natural log, or you could do it with your calculator and seeing where that graph crosses 0.2. Okay, the end.